Cruising Lindbergh fans? It's Fantasy Jim. I'm on my way down to Speed Freak Garage to meet up with the professor and check out those custom keychains for the party at the plaza. Let's go. Professor, are you in there?
Oh, hey Jim, what's up?
Hey, Professor, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What you working on?
So this morning I made you a custom fantasy keychain along with some of our other customers' names. And tonight we're going to be 3D scanning a radiator and making some custom parts for our Rally Porsche.
Wow.
And we do that all the time for people, especially if they have an old car part that's not made anymore. We can scan it and cut it out of 6061 billet.
Holy cow. So you can make a car part and
right there.
Do it on the computer and boom, it comes out as a new part.
Finished part, yep.
Wow, that's fantastic. So what about these keychains?
Yes, right over here.
Wow, those are gorgeous. Man, these things are going to be a collector's item. But you can't just go buy one, right? Because this is a limited edition design.
That's correct. These are not for sale because Speed Freak Garage is actually donating all 100 keychains to the Thin Line Foundation.
Wow, that is amazing, and that is very generous. We really appreciate it. Well, guys, the professor at Speed Freak Garage did an amazing job on these custom keychains, but you can't buy one, but you can get one absolutely free with a $20 donation to the Thin Line Foundation. One night only at the Party at the Plaza on Friday, April 28th at Gravois Springs Plaza in House Springs. Come down, support the Thin Line Foundation. And on Saturday, join us at Richline Motorsports for the Cruisin' Lindbergh Mega Cruise. Hope to see you there.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me.